Hello student, welcome to Beacon High School Class 4 Mathematics Chapter number 7 Multiples and Factors Part 4. Yes, you can see a term which is written over here is highest common factor. It is also written in the short form as HCF. H for highest, C for common, F for factor. The largest common factor of two or more number is called the highest common factor. So the most important part over here is the largest. The next comes the common and the factor. We already know how to find the factor of a given number. In that factor we know how to find the common number. Now after finding the common you have to look for the largest number. The largest number will be your HCF for the given number. Now what I mean by that, let us understand through an example. If I take the number as given in here, let us take an example from your textbook, exercise 7.4, question number A part of your question number 5th. This is your exercise 7.4, question number 5th A part, which states that find the HCF of the following number. The numbers are 8 and 12. Now, first step, what you are going to do over here, you are going to find the factors of 8. Let us find the factors of 8. Similarly, you will find the factors of 12. So, factors of 8, which are 1, we know 1 is a factor of each and every number. Then 2, 2 4s are 8, we know. Then 3, no. Then it comes 4, yes, 4 2s are 8. Then last number will be 8. Similarly, we will find the factors of 12. 1 is a factor of each and every number. Then comes 2. Then 3, then 4, then 6, and the last digit will be 12. Now if you look here, both the number, what do you observe? 1 is a common factor in both the numbers. Fine. The next number which is common over here is 2 in both the numbers. Similarly, if I go with the number 4 is common in both. Now we have found out what we are done with the factors, we are done with the common numbers. If I write the common numbers over here are common factors which are over here. Factors are 1, 2 and 4. Now what do you observe? Which is the largest? It is already written the largest common factor. So the largest number over here is 4. Therefore the HCF of the number becomes 4 for the given 8 and 12. So HCF of 8 and 12 will be 4. Now let us understand one more question. Now let us take one more question of your exercise 7.4, question number 5th C part. The numbers are 16, 12 and 24. Now again, what is our main thing? That we have to find the HCF of the given numbers. So what we are going to do, we'll first find the factors of all the given numbers. So factors of all the given numbers 16, 12 and 24 will find first. Our first step will be to find the factors of all the numbers. So factors of 16. Let us find first factors of 16. Similarly, we'll find the factors of 12. Then we'll find the factors of 24. Now let us find first for the factors of 16. We know 1 is a factor of each and every number, so we can write 1 in all the numbers. Then after that we know it comes in the table of 2. So it will be divisible, completely divisible. So we can have 2 as a factor. Again if I look 3, it doesn't come. Then we know in 4 was a 16. So 4 is again the factor of 16. After that we do have which number? 8 as the factor of the given number. And the last number will be 16. Now similarly we'll find the factors of 12. Again 1, 2, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12 and 12 1s are 12. And we know one thing, the greatest factor, we are going to write the number itself. So that's why we are ending with the greatest factor. So again for 24 it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, again 6, then 8, then we know very well 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24 and the last digit will be 24. Now we have to encircle the factors which are common in both the three numbers. You have to look all the three numbers, the common factors. So we are going to circle that part. If I look here, this is a common factor. It is common in all the numbers. We can see 1 is also common factor. We know very well 1 is common in all the digits. So we are having 1, 2. And again, if I look for the next number, can I see 3 in this number? No. But I can see 4 in each and every number of the given factors. Again, if I look for the 8, no, it is not there for the other numbers. Then we'll move to the next number. Can I see 8 in this number? No. 6? No, it is only over there. So what do I observe? The largest factor over here is, the factor which I have obtained over here is common factor. Now we can have a common factors as 1, 2 and 4. Now out of which factor is the largest over here? Yes, 4. So the HCF of the given number becomes 4 in the given 16, 12 and 24. So the HCF of 16, 12 and 24 is 4. Now let us take one more question to understand little bit better. Now highest common factor, again we are going to find the HCF for the given numbers. So first important point which we have to keep in our mind is the step 1, which states that we have to find the factors of each and every numbers. After finding the factors of the numbers, step 2 is to find the common numbers in the given number. And the last step is to find the largest in all the given common factors. So first step will start with factors of 9. Let us have the factors of 9. Then we'll have the factors of 12. At last we'll have the factors of 18. So let us start with 9, 12 and 18 factors. Now factors of 9 will be, we know very well, 1 is a factor of each and every number. So then after that 1 we do have a common factor. It comes in the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. Yes. Then it is completely divisible by the number 9. So the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Moving to the next number, factors of 12. It comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6 and the last digit will be 12, the number itself. 18 is a factor of 1, 2, 3, then it comes in the table of 6, 3s are 18, then the last digit will be 18 itself. Now the step 2 comes, that is to find the common factor in the given number. So the common factor over here is 1, 1, 1. And common factor in the next number will be 3, 3, 3. Can we find any other common factors? Yes. Can we find any other common factor? Do we find any other common factor? We know 9 is also the factor of 18. No. We find only 2 common factors over here, which are 1 and 3. Now, which number is greatest in the given factors? 3. So the HCF of number 9, 12 and 18 will be equals to 3. Hope you have understood till here. Thank you and have a